Well, if you've got a sweet tooth, and who doesn't, you are in for a treat because the Festival of Cake is coming to Melbourne later this year.
Best festival ever. To give us a little taste of what to expect, we're joined by the founder of the festival, Liz Wright, and co-owner of Moreish Cakes, Monica Cavallaro.
Bravo.
We're in session now. Liz, what's this event all about? Why do you want to put this on?
Oh, there is no event in Australia quite like Festival of Cake. We wanted to create a fun and exciting event where people can make cake, learn cake, eat cake, and just have fun.
I mean, it's in the title, folks.
Exactly.
It just sold itself.
It sold itself.
If cake can't be fun, then what can?
Exactly.
Right.
Okay, this might be a stupid question. If you don't have a sweet tooth, what is at the festival for you?
So there is a lot going on for everyone at the festival. We have an indoor marketplace where there's over 50 vendors you can go shopping from. We have classrooms, we have 2 festival stages, we have a kids zone, we have a marketplace. If you're not a sweet tooth, there's gin and wine and vodka and things.
Perfect.
Wow.
If you are, there's loaded cookies and brownies and all sorts of
Delicious.
sweets as well.
Okay.
Right, Monica, let's bring you in on here. So you've got, you're going to be there as well. What are you going to be showing off at the Festival of Cake?
If I'm allowed to say so, I am going to be the hostess with the mostest.
Perfect.
I think you're allowed to say that.
And I can't wait to introduce you guys. Have got the biggest talent from Australia coming to the show. So, and as you can see, it's just going to be a festival of cake, a festival of sweetness,
Yes.
and a
Let's
festival.
go.
You up?
Let's go on these gingerbread
Yes,
houses.
we are game
so
on.
this is happening. Okay, so
there's-
talk us through it.
You're going for a team. So
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
Liz against
Team Festival
me.
of Cake.
Okay.
You're with me.
I'm your assistant.
You're on Festival
Okay,
of
what
Cake
do I
team.
do?
So
All right.
you grab a bag.
Grab a bag.
Grab a bag, mate.
Grab a bag.
Well, what I'll do
Ready.
is I'll start,
Okay.
and I'll move this one up here, and you can
Okay.
do that
Can I
one.
do this one? Okay.
Yeah.
God, this is really much.
So use your
a little bit
muscles.
of-
Okay,
we're
sorry,
using
sorry.
royal icing
Come
on
on,
the
need your
bottom.
muscles.
Muscles out. Go.
Okay.
See if you guys
that
can
there.
actually keep
All right.
up.
Now,
Man, you do need
a little bit
some
here, a little bit here.
Yeah, so you
This
need
is
a
so
really strong
fun.
royal icing.
This is why
for it
us
to
cake
work.
decorators have good arms.
Okay, which piece goes in
great
first?
forearm.
So you grab a triangle.
Okay, now I'm going to just steal
Down the
that as a
sides?
little
Yes.
prop there.
Proper.
Yes, this is
So
the key.
gingerbread houses, you don't just have to do them at
stick that in the
Christmas time,
front.
do you?
No, absolutely not.
I'm only going to
all
get
year
Christmas
round.
in July. There's no better excuse to celebrate Christmas
go.
than in the middle of the year.
So I'm going to cheat a little bit for you.
Okay, so
Oh,
now
yeah,
we're
good
going to.
idea.
Now you've got to go up here and
Up there.
here.
All right,
Yep.
here we go.
Doing
That's
awesome.
it. I'll hold
Go.
it.
There we go.
Use your
One,
muscles.
I'm
Use your
trying to use
muscles.
my... You keep saying that.
Three. I
They're
win.
winning. They're winning.
How did...
You want some decoration?
win. How did
you win over it? Okay, we've got
It's
to
going to be an argument.
I
We
win.
need it.
There's no argument. I win.
Yay!
Oh, he's already gone. Way too quick
Now
for
you've got to
us.
decorate it.
Now you've got to
you're
decorate
gonna
it.
be
Look,
cheeky for the next
but you've got to go to
Yes.
Festival of Cake. It's so exciting. I definitely lost that. We tried our best.
We
though.
did, we did.
You won
Well
with the
done.
festival.
Apron.
Well done. Thank you.
Excellent.
Now we need to smash it.
Go, smash it.
Festival of Cake kicks off in Melbourne on September 21st. Head to the address on your screen for tickets.
Thank you both for coming in. Lovely to have you.
very
See you at the
welcome.
festival.
Thank you
Still
so
to come.
much. Enjoy.
Looking for something else to binge on the weekend as opposed to gingerbread.